Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight and taillight bulbs on a 2007 to 2011 Honda CR-V. The bulbs in the front are the side marker light, low beam, high beam combination bulb, and the turn signal bulb. In the front there's the side marker bulb, the combination low beam and high beam bulb, and the turn signal bulb. The side marker bulb is a little bit of a tight squeeze to get to. It's this connector here. So disconnect it by squeezing the tab on the connector and pulling that off. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise towards the left side of the car and pull out the socket. Then you can replace the bulb. And to reinstall, stick it in the hole and turn it clockwise. And then reconnect the connector. To remove the bulb, there's this metal clip here. So push it in so it releases off the hook, swing it out of the way, and then pull the bulb straight out. When you install it, get the tabs into the slots so that it sits flush. Then swing the clip in, hook it in over there. Then put the rubber seal back in. And plug the connector back in. Then the turn signal bulb has the same type of tab on the connector, and then just twist the socket to pull it out. In the rear, there's the upper taillight bulb, the taillight brake light combination bulb, the turn signal bulb, and the reverse bulb. There's also the high mount third brake light bulb. And lastly, there is one license plate light. To replace the taillight bulbs, you have to remove the entire unit. There are two bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom. The bolts are under these little covers, so remove them with a screwdriver by sticking it in at the top slot here and pulling out. And then to remove the taillight, you have to pull straight out. So it's a little tricky to get your hands behind here. Just pull straight out. Then you have to get it around the tailgate strut. I have access to the upper taillight bulb, the taillight slash brake light bulb, the turn signal bulb, and the reverse bulb. To remove any of the bulbs, simply turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. And then to reinstall it, just get it in place, line up the clips, and push it in. And then put the two bolts back in. To replace the high mount third brake light, you have to remove this panel inside the tailgate. Each side has a screwdriver slot hole. You can stick a screwdriver in there, try to be careful not to damage the trim, or you can take any kind of trim pry tool with an angle on it and stick it behind and then just pull. Then you can unplug the bulb and twist to remove. To replace the license plate bulb, you have to take off this entire panel here. So start with taking off the top panel like we did with the third brake light bulb. Then take off the side panels. Just pull and unhook around these. Then there are screws where the handle is. There are slots at the back of each side cover. So stick a screwdriver in there and pry the cover off. It should stay attached to the panel with this little tether. Then there are two 10mm bolts up in here. Then to remove the panel, find a spot along the side to stick a trim tool and then pry down. And once you have all the sides and top loose, there will be 2 clips going into the tailgate here. Looks like one of mine broke, but that's not too big of a deal. And then the license plate bulb is right here. You can unplug it and then squeeze the 2 tabs on the sides to pull out the socket. And reinstall it, plug it in, and reinstall the panel. Start at the back to get those clips in, and then pop the rest of them in. Put the bolts back in the handle. Put the covers back on. Put the side trim back on. Make sure you get it hooked around before you pop into the car. And pop the top panel back on. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.